Just a little bonus video for the cook. Here is what I do when I've finished. So I've got tomorrow's meal there, and I've got 5 more meals that I can put in the freezer. So I managed to get 7 meals out of that. Cost me about 5 pence in energy. And then here you can see ones that I've done before. One with pasta in. Easy enough. The freezer is your friend. Look, bread, frozen bread, reduced. You can either let it defrost naturally or stick it in the toaster, put it on reheat on a low temperature and let it thaw out. You can use it in a couple of hours. Right, I'm gonna have some of this reduced white chocolate because apparently no one likes it. Like, subscribe, come back and all that gubbins.